Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get Robux with Sweatcoin. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to download the app. If you are an iOS user, click on the Apple App Store, and for Android user, click on the Google Play, and from there just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, let me make a quick disclaimer that there isn't a direct method to convert Sweatcoin, which is a fitness app that rewards users for walking, into Robux. That is the virtual currency used in Roblox. However, you might be able to indirectly use Sweatcoin to earn money that can be used to purchase Robux. So, we are going to guide you on some smart and clever workarounds on how to do it. Alright? Now, let me tell you that Sweatcoin offers gift cards to popular retailers as rewards, which you might then use to buy Roblox gift cards, alright? Because if you're looking for an avenue to earn more rewards here on Sweatcoin, you might want to click on the invite friends because there are referral bonuses here on Sweatcoin. And of course, invite as many people as needed to get in top 100, and from there, you would be able to earn a lot of coins here in Sweat. And from there, the more you earn Sweatcoins here, you can basically go to this specific website, which is... This is a platform wherein it's gonna be an app that rewards your gaming prowess with points that you can exchange for amazing prizes, including Roblox gift cards. And of course, from here, basically all of the converted sweat coins that you can, well, you can't really turn them into real money. But the thing is, once you get more sweat coins, and you would be able to use the Playbyte app. As you can see, you can play awesome games here, right? Play with friends, and you can win cool prizes such as Roblox, and that is just linking your Sweatcoin here at the Playbyte. And from here, when you win a gift card, you would be able to, of course, avail the Robux, alright? Because Robux allows you to purchase upgrades for your avatar or buy special abilities in experiences. And again, these are the conversions from the Robux packages, and subscribe to get more, alright? These are the most popular. Now, what I've did in the past is I just go to Playbyte after earning a lot of Sweatcoin, and from here I was able to get Robux with a Sweatcoin. But again, there's no direct way. Instead, you need these platforms and a smart workaround to work it out. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.